Hello everyone, Ben Adventures 923 is back with another project. So today actually I am putting the nails into this plastic, which is I'm putting them on my shoes, and I am walking in the lawn to irrigate or aerate, I should say aerate the lawn. And doing it with the devices and stuff can be pricey and also can be a little bit time consuming, but this one, what I'm doing right now while I'm putting them together, I'm going to tell you is, just wear them and putting them, on my shoes, over my shoes, and then walk around. So to put some holes in the lawn, and it looks like it is good for your lawn. So yeah, let's put them together just like so. And when I bought them, actually comes with this tool, just tie them, not over tie them, to break the plastic. So I'll be putting them just like that. It's gonna be our first time to try this. If you have something like that, or if you tried it before, do you like it or not? I'll be more than happy to hear from you guys. So yeah. And last but not the least, gonna be right this one. So it looks like I have one extra nut here. Just like this, I'm gonna tie them all up and then put the strap over it. I'll be wearing it, and I'm gonna show you guys when I'm using it back there in the backyard or in the lawn. It's like this. Comes with two straps. So it looks like I have to do like this and get it out. And then the same in this side. Get it out. And wear it over my shoes, and then use it while I'm going to do my lawn. Saving time. saving some money too, because while I'm doing the lawn, I'll be walking in the lawn. So this one gonna be on my shoes. And then I'm not gonna go buy or go rent big and bulky devices. I'll be just using these, so hopefully it helps. So for saving time, I did the other one too. So here we are. There are both of them. So I'm gonna be wearing them and using them. Let's do it. Okay guys, it looks a little ridiculous, but the straps they sent actually with it, they are the same length, the front and the back. So from the back, it doesn't look like it's gonna fit. So I just went with the shoelace. What I do, just tight the front one, just like so. Slide my feet in. I'm gonna go back again and tie it back up, so that way it gives me a little bit support to not get off of my shoe, just like so. Just protect my ankles, and then just like so. And the next one also is the same. I'm gonna just wear it like this, and I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna do the second one too. For some reason, I know it shouldn't be like this, but it is what it is for today, or for this case right now. And just do it just like so. Come back again, go this way too. And so on. So let's see how it works actually out there. Pretty tight on my feet. So let's see how it feels out there. Let's start it. Wearing my fancy lawn shoes. Actually, let me, yeah. So my shoes are on. Let's start the lawn mowing thing. So actually they are penetrating the ground. So let me start the lawnmower. I'm gonna just, do it while I'm doing the lawn.
Does it feel weird to?
It's not really weird, but just, dips in.
You have to make sure you really lift your feet up, I'm assuming, right?
Yes. It just, penetrates a little bit. And let me see actually while I'm pushing the lawnmower how it looks.
I mean, if this works, it'll save somebody a lot of money from having to get in one of those aerator things to rent.
Definitely.